Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your lovely one, people. Do you want to be in the video?
Nope.
Not at all?
Nope.
Do you want me to blur your face?
Don't care.
Why do you hate cameras so bad?
Why would I want everybody to know my business? It's not my thing. I don't want people to know what I'm doing all the time.
I'm not recording myself for 24 hours.
Okay. But you're recording yourself doing every different thing that you do during the day.
No, it's not like
Okay, if you were a
Every
professional,
week.
if you were a professional daily vlogger, you would pick up the camera when you went to the grocery store. You might talk to it when you get back home. If you're gonna go to the gym, you would say that. If you're gonna go out for dinner, you'd say that too. You'd probably take pictures of where you went and the food that you ate. You showed everybody exactly what you did all day.
I'm not doing a daily vlog.
That's what you said you wanted to do.
No, it's too much videos. Too much privacy that I have to put on.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just not into it. I don't like telling people what I'm doing.
Like he set shit off. Like I've watched him say some shit on his Instagram and will it into existence, and it becomes like a trend or a It's just like it's amazing. It's like really like it's a really it's one of my favorite followers, honestly. It sounds
I want to go back to Okanagan so bad.
That makes two of us.
Huh?
That makes two of us.
Oh, you want to go back there too?
Of course.
No, I mean Coldstream, I guess. Not like really like Okanagan.
Yeah. Vernon.
Coldstream.
It's the same thing.
No, Vernon is a little bit up there. Hey, but that's not funny.
Why are you laughing?
Here's the thing, my feet are ugly and then you're turning to the right and turning to the left. Duh.
Yeah, duh.
Oh, you should see my previous video because I accidentally say duh.
Wow.
Sure.
Again, do you want to be just like every other couple on YouTube?
But we're a couple.
So?
Couple nuts.
I don't care about YouTube.
That hurts me.
Why? You can care about YouTube, but I don't.
Well, I just want to record myself, that's it.
There you go.
If I'm being prettier every single year or not, or I'm like more ugly every single year, or... I just want to see how am I growing up. That's it.
Okay. I told you, if you want to do YouTube, that's okay.
It's just for memories and stuff.
Okay.
And if one day we have kids and they say, I'm regretting I had a mom.
Yeah, that's what I would say.
Duh.
Hey, look, your favorite car.
Which one?
Right in front of us.
I don't want to get any copyright.
Well, you've been playing the whole time you've been recording, so...
I was talking, it's fine. It's fine. I know okay people make like 20 minutes vlog.
I don't know. You like blowing smoke out their ass?
sister. I want to make fun of her.
What does that mean? Oh, she's working. I know, she's sleeping.
Not right now.
Oh, not right now. I want to make video today or making fun of her. It's hilarious. She told me one time, she's like, I'm kind of weird because you were making videos, and then one day you just like record me talking with Jesse, and then he called me Pear, and some stuff like that, and he said that, boy watches you, right? I'm like, duh.
Stop playing with it.
Oh wow.
What?
How many snacks in this car?
None. It's one root beer. What about you?
What about me? I didn't buy anything.
Yeah. Who did?
No, I didn't buy anything.
That's because I bought you all your snacks.
It's because somebody ate my ice cream.
Oh yeah, I finished your ice cream last night.
Babe!
What?
Are you for real?
Yeah.
Let's go. We are in a parking spot. Ay, ay, ay. Do you think I should bring any cards?
Any cards? No.
Okay.
Sleepy.
Oh, me too. You think I'll be brave enough to float you there? You're in a dentist! Voila! Look like seat butt. I'll be right back.
A few moments later, a few inches later, 2 hours later, 1 eternity later.
Hai teman-teman, aku gak bisa ngomong, I can't talk. Just come back from the dentist and I can't talk. Isn't that awesome? Oh, hey, where am I? Baby! I don't feel my tongue. I think. Minggu depan ke dentist lagi. Terus nanti disuntik lagi. Nanti ke sekolah lagi. Ya. Bagus. Tadi aku nggak bisa open mulutku besar-besar. Oke.